and then you're gonna drink upside down. Bend as much as you can. You get used to it after you do it a couple times, but you're gonna bend. You're gonna drink from that side.
Oh my God.
Drink from that side again.
I'm good.
Right.
It's on my
All right,
lap.
hold
I'm
on.
good.
Yeah, but you don't want to stop. Okay, you just want to keep drinking. Okay, bend as
What
much
is
as you can,
going
and
on
then
over
drink that sucker up. All right, and it will somehow it gets rid of these dang things. It really does. It's the only thing that works for me.
Because you concentrate
I'm
on
cured. I'm cured.
Mom's
Wait, let's see what happens for a second for her.
Okay. Let's see if it.
All right, just hold on.
Going. We'll see.
Hey, Jim.
It might have just because of the trauma. The trauma might have just accidentally helped her. All right, I'm gonna show her. Wait, let me get a cup. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do.